Hi, I'm Paula Byrne. I'm the CEO of PushButton, which is an interactive TV agency based in London, England. When we first started designing and building interactive applications way back in the mid-90s in the UK, really we were designing around working on a form of interactivity that was just using the handheld remote control to use with your TV screen. Clearly the market has moved on hugely since then. The whole demographic of the way people watch TV, the way families watch TV. I got 3 teenage kids now, and when they're watching TV, they're on their laptop, they're using Facebook, they're using their text on their mobile phone. So our business has moved from designing purely for interactive services on a TV screen to designing for a whole range of what I call program support services that sometimes are on the mobile phone, sometimes increasingly obviously on smartphones now, but with every single one of those types of screens, the design issues are different. And what we've had to become very adept at now over the last 6 years in particular is really thinking about what's the context of the way the person's viewing the TV program and the interactivity around it, and how does that affect the way it's designed and built for them. We're building for a PC screen, we're building for a TV screen, and we're building for a smartphone. Life feels a lot easier these days when it comes to designing interactive TV services. You know, in the old days, the technologies were a little more limiting. These days, there's a whole range from simple and simplistic right through to more complex. But complex is good because complex gives you more scope. But the key is when you're designing for TV, when you're actually designing for that TV screen, you have to keep it a nice, clean interface. TV screen design has to be simple, it has to be uncluttered, and it has to complement the key thing, which is that people are watching a TV program in a linear way, and that's the reason they've sat down in front of that screen in the first place. The big issue facing the interactive TV industry at the moment is, even though we've made a lot of strides in the last 6 years or so, we're still at a very formative stage. We're working with multiple technologies, we're working with multiple platforms, and the brands and the advertisers that want to spend money on these platforms are used to a much more mass market form of a business model where they can actually easily spend a big block of money. That's a big challenge for us all to face. But I think what we constantly need to prove is by using the technologies that are at our disposal and giving people very direct, personalized access to viewers, what we can actually prove is there is a model out there, and we all need to bang our heads together and just see that there is no going back. The old world has changed. Interactive TV is talking to audiences in a much more direct and personal way, and there has to be money to be made for everybody in that whole new world.